into it. All right, so a market update. If we have a look over here, on the Nasdaq S&P 500, they closed down for the day on Friday, but overall another great week. We had a pause on the interest rate hikes. However, we had Jerome Powell coming out being very, very hawkish and sort of saying it's a temporary pause. Everyone was pricing in sort of a pause and no more rises for the year, but he made it quite clear that there will be some more. He thinks there will be some more. Who knows? Listen, it's one of those things. I think it's a win. We're definitely nearing the end of the hiking cycle, whether it's this time or next time or the time after, we're getting there. But overall, the Nasdaq and S&P 500 has been doing so incredibly well. It really has. It's outperformed almost everything, including most crypto, including most NFTs. So yeah, guys, really interesting to see. If we then have a look here at crypto, we've had a really bullish last 24 hours. We've got Bitcoin sitting at 26,500, Ethereum sitting at 1,700, Solana 1571. People do say any pump on the weekend should be ignored. Don't get excited about weekend pumps. But you have a look here, it has pulled back a bit, but we went all the way from a low of 1,630 to a high of 1,760 on Ethereum. So that's quite a substantial jump in the last 24 hours. We've pulled back a bit now. We're sitting at 1,728. We got Solana up on the day 3.2%. We've got ApeCoin up 1.4%. So there's definitely some increases happening. If we look at the last week since we last did the show, so that's looking at the bubbles here. Green means that there's been an increase. The bigger the green bubble, the bigger the increase. Red means there's been a decrease. You can see that it's been quite a bullish week on crypto in general. A lot more green than red. We've got Hex, the big winner on the week. They've been slowly bleeding for the last month. I'd be interested to see Hex on the month. Well, look, on the month, everything is down. Absolutely everything, including Hex. All right. So going back to the week over here, we can see Injective Protocol up 14%, Atom up 11. What else we got? Aptos up 18, Gala up 13, Sand up 3% on the week, Pepe up 10%, BNB up 3%. But they are coming from quite big lows. Bitcoin up 4% over there. If we look just today, you can see it's been quite a bullish day. Render up 11%, Aptos 11% on the day, Hex 13%, Sand 2.37%, Gala almost 10%, IMX 2%. So definitely stuff going on here in the market, which is good to see. Is this the beginning of a bull market? What do we think? Well, I think it's important to look at the general trending. And we can see that even though there's bullish sentiment in the market, been a 4% gain, there's still the Bitcoin volatility levels on the verge of a decrease. So the Bollinger Bands are now slightly converging towards closing onto each other. So that's relative strength, but it's definitely not showing us that we passed where we need to be. We haven't broken any key indicators, except we have broken the 14-week, which is a bit bullish. But I wouldn't get too excited as we stand over here yet. And that covers it. That covers